Uh-oh. You'll see.
Oh. Clank? Clank? Lombax? What is this place?
You are in the alternate reality.
Where are you, Clank? Maybe someone around here has seen him. Have any of you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming?
Sorry, all the charming robots I know have blue eyes.
I did not mean to shoot it. What you guys doing? What you doing? What you doing? Okay. Oh. Didn't realize this was the lift.
Please let there be good news behind here.
Welcome to the nefarious city bazaar. Please
That's not good
remember to
news.
thank our marvelous emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now?
Yes.
Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in
Whoa,
his
why
bazaar.
did it go all wobbly? For a sec? I'm freaking drunk. Oh.
Wait a second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in. Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The Resistance?
Apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage!
Oh, look! There it is!
Clank!
Get him!
No. I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
Listen, Test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else?
Get shot down.
Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
This is so exciting.
You're gonna get her killed.
Club Nefarious.
Didn't she
gonna
get
sound
killed?
like?
Buy something, mister?
Okay. I need to go. Let's find Clank. Search the factory. Oh, great. We have side missions and stuff. Now, the sake for time, I'm gonna do mostly I'm gonna probably skip a lot
Hello, nefarious city. I just
of the side missions. You're so stupid.
Dr. Nefarious? So what happened to the real Emperor?
He's just out. Or are we talking about the other nefarious emperor?
Now that I'm back, I'm starting Operation Dream Job. What does that mean? Don't get to role play as if I just became emperor.
Gotta keep looking. The sooner I find
So
Nefarious
fucking
and this
stupid.
Phantom, the sooner I can get to Clank.
dream job. You pretend this is my first time doing this.
Parties every day, and everyone can buy my upcoming memoir. Isn't this fun?
Where is... How did I access my map? Tab. I'm going the wrong way. Gotta turn around. I think that's already a law. Or a rule. It's actually Doofenshmirtz. It is Doofenshmirtz! It is exactly Doofenshmirtz. Oh, armor. Can I make a cool armor? Helmet. Nice. Does this material make my tail look big? Big? Or does this make my tail look big? I like it. Do I already have this? How d- Ooh, this is purple though. Did I already have this? I already had this apparently. Huh? What?
Enormous explosion earlier. It was just me launching some fireworks to celebrate me.
What? How do I have armor already? I didn't... Hold on. No, that I didn't buy anything else. I just bought the game.
Hi, yeah, are you the Phantom?
I am whatever you want me to be, Fluffy.
Is there a Phantom around here?
Only a dancing machine. Watch out now.
How?
You wouldn't be the Phantom by any chance.
Resistance alert! Resistance alert!
At least, yeah, it doesn't give me any, like, stats, so that doesn't, it's not too bad.
Can't believe first mission in forever and my cover's blown.
Phantom? Is Skid?
Why is there so many robots?
Better take care of these guys or they'll go after Phantom too. That had to be Phantom, right? Mysterious dude in a hollow guy? That had to be Phantom. Phantom, wait!
Wait up!
I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No way! You gotta be smarter than that.
Shit! Let's try this again.
Phantom, wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I
I'm
heard
right
you
next
were...
to you.
No names. You gotta be smarter than that if you want to join the Resistance, new guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
Maybe it's because you're chasing after, you know, resistant members. And you're wearing resistance armor. You cheater. What just happened? Which way did he go? This way? I got lost because the guy... Where are we going? did I just find a secret? I think I just found a secret. That's all I did. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh. My bad. Hey, man. Are you guys friendly? You seem friendly. Harmless. Harmless little beetles. You mind? I gotta get somewhere. Excuse me. Excuse me. Fuck.
Not gonna stop me.
I don't know what I'm doing. Pushing F. Oh.
Where
Like
you
how he's waited for
free?
me.
Stop running! Is this some kind of test? It is, isn't it?
There he is.
Seem like a test?
Oh boy. I'll handle this, Phantom. You just get to safety.
Wait, are these robots or people in robotic suits? 'Cause I think I just saw like little tentacles inside their head. I think they're suits. What?
Few bullets remaining.
Oh fuck! That was not nice. Bye bye.
The squishy is armed.
Don't hit explosive barrels. When will you learn?
Where'd you go?
Question is, or the answer is never. He's right there.
Nice work, new guy.
Thanks. What is this? Some kind of secret handshake?
No,
Hey!
he's just.
What do I do with it?
All right, new guy. Try out Phantom Dash.
Phantom
Nice.
You can't catch what doesn't temporarily exist.
Right
Jump
here.
and Phantom Dash. The glove handles the rest.
Whoa.
Don't be scared. Use the glove to run along those paths.
Shit!
All right, new guy. Try out Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash?
Enemy can't
I'm
catch
good at
what
this
doesn't
game, and I
temporarily
shall never die.
Jump and Phantom Dash. The glove and don't be scared. Use the
Oh.
glove to run along those paths.
Maybe I should
Want
listen.
to go even further? Jump and Phantom Dash.
What? I did it! I did it!
You've
Oh,
done this before.
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
It's not safe here. Just stay close.
Can you get a royal starship or not?
Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
ooh.
You know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
I still don't,
I'll
not sure
make you
about
a
getting
deal.
armor right away.
See that
Even though it's cosmetic.
You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Rooftop. How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
Ooh, boxes.
How rude of me. I have not killed a thing today.
Oh, I can help kill you. You're welcome.
Just what I needed today.
Hi, guys. That guy, he was winding up like he was going to say, "Here's Johnny." I literally thought he was going to say, "Here's Johnny."
Not nefarious! Watch out! Nefarious is among us.
Hi, guys. What? Ooh, help me! No! Okay. No deaths. I don't count. Oh, no one ever told me this was supposed to be a parkour game.
Hold on, honey.
Hey!
To the roof? You should use that rare titanium in your pockets to upgrade your arsenal first.
Okay, I got money. How much money do I got? Better upgrade tab. Okay.
You are getting it.
This is forcing me
Upgrading your loadout is not hard. As
to
long
pay?
as you got the rare titanium.
purchase all upgrades connected to the gold cell now. Oh, okay. Fine. Why is it so sensitive? How much money do I got? Or is it just giving me money?
See? Why settle for a good weapon when you can make it
Enter first,
magnificent?
upgrade one of your own weapons. What? What? Spend some whatever the fuck that is. And or to upgrade one of your weapons. Oh, is this what can I purchase? Oh, this.
Always worth the cost to keep your weapons
This
in
concludes the
tip-top
tutorial. I don't even know what I just that upgrades ammo. Oh, increases rate of fire.
shape. Enhancements incoming.
How much money do I have? Okay, 3,000. Shader boom. Refill health and ammo. First pistol and enforcer. That's what I got already. I don't know about. How much, I have 4 upgrade shards, whatever these are. I'm gonna save them.
Goodbye now.
Thanks again for the help, Secret Agent Zircon.
Good luck up there. And Miss Zircon
Wrong way.
was never here.
Did you try the drinks? You can get them all for salary.
Oh boy.
So you made it after all. Impressive.
Wait, you can see me? Where are you? You got my starship ready?
You'll get it, don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The nefarious day spa. If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious's propaganda blimp and give this city a message it'll never forget.
Looks easy enough. I do so enjoy a scalding.
This is definitely going to later on turn into a Doofenshmirtz type situation where They drug me? What the hell's going on? Die! Thank you. Am I just making commotion? Is that what he said? Oh, don't touch the water. Gotcha. Don't touch the purple water. It is not water. Why is there so much for robot? Oh, wait. That's because Nefarious is a robot. That's why there's so much catering for robots. And so many robots. Are you guys robots or are you guys human? Or not humans, but aliens.
You are going to love your new cage.
I'm gonna love your new cage.
Unless we're doing it to you.
What are we doing again? What was the quest? B? Protect the platform. Okay.
Please stop shooting back.
Please stop. No, thank you. Maybe these are like the aliens in Jimmy Neutron. You know, aliens in like a robotic suit. Ow! That hurt. I've yet to die in this game, but I'm close to it. Don't touch the water. It's bad. Uh-oh. This is really bad. Hey, guys. Could we be friends? I don't think we really want to be friends. Help. 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 Die. 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 My first death. I do have a shotgun. I don't like this shotgun. This shotgun kind of sucks. Okay, maybe it doesn't suck. Hi. That is so disorienting because I don't know if I'm moving or if the portal is moving. Sorry, you looked really shootable, even though you're not an enemy. Well, you're annoying, so I don't care. Hi! Bet you weren't expecting that. Shit. Oop. Out of ammo. No, I got a few more shots in me before I pass out. Oh, we're talking about bullets. I will get you all. What am I standing around here for? To protect the platform or something. But you guys don't stop coming. You don't stop coming. They don't stop coming. Yeah, protect the phantom. Oh, that thing. That's weird. Ah!
It has little ammo left.
Help! 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 You're not nice. Not nice. You're unfriendly. But I got ammo again. Ah! Why are there so many of you? Am I supposed to be doing anything else? Just says protect the phantom. Oh, now you're talking again. That it?
Finally! Nefarious Tower, here I come.
Wow, where'd you learn how to draw? Looks like I touched a nerve. All right, deal's a deal. That's Glitch. She'll help you get onto the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access console's in that huge statue of Nefarious in the center of the city. Just hook her up, and she'll handle the rest.
What are you doing?
Tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside.
Bye-bye.
Huh?